raining pretty hard. Get the horses inside. Jan, come help me. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's pretty loud. Ugh. Why didn't you untack her? Now she's all wet under there. Just give me a towel. Get over here. Two kitty, come on. Oh, the poor mares. Ugh. Okay, since you guys aren't stallions, some of you guys are gonna have to stay in the same stall together. Why did they put us in a big stall together? Rats! I forgot the gnat strapper was coming today. We need to close them. Come on. Oh, rats, it really is raining hard out here. When I say I'm getting really wet, I mean I'm really getting wet. The whole arm is soaking wet. Mommy, help me. Oh, my horsey. Jan here. It's really wet. Don't worry, sis, I got you. You're not getting wet. Okay, thanks, sis. Anything for my sister. It's super loud. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds really loud to me. If you hear that shh, that's the rain. It's like really loud in my ears, like. But yeah. I even got wet through the window. It's gonna be pretty wet tomorrow. Yeah. No, I'm not a kid, but best buddies, Jan. Best buddies, Kai. The Wilds. They had a sleepover at the barn, and we'll see how it goes the next day. It is not the next day. I want to get some more pictures of the cats. Okay guys, there's some mares coming, but I'm gonna tell the driver to bring them tomorrow. It's raining kind of bad, so I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like from our window. It's pretty bad, but I'll show you from the stall window. The weather got worse and worse. And there was ponds formed and lakes formed from the bad weather. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video here. We're gonna see how the weather is tomorrow. And okay, bye. floor is really bad. Really slippery. I don't want any of the horses. You can see the reflection. I don't want any of the horses to slip, so I'll be probably putting mats or rocks down tomorrow, and so I'll see you tomorrow. I probably won't be ending the video. I'll just record tomorrow. Okay, bye. They're spending that at the barn kid also, so tomorrow. So pics that we took, barn pics. Yeah! Barn pics. Barn pics. Weather pics. Weather pics 2. Weather pics 3. Oh my god. Kai, why is it turning green?